Hello, I'm Patrick Wolf with Inventor Services of Arizona. We at Inventor Services have come up with a cost and time-saving solution to the problem of damaged pipe that all growers have with hand lines. This solution involves repairing the system with minimal costs and downtime. We have come up with a new and novel way to keep the water flowing by repairing pipe in the field in a matter of minutes. Today, we are showing the Andrus coupling for aluminum pipe. We have perfected the coupling so that it can work with PVC or high-density polyethylene, also known as HDPE, as a transition coupling to aluminum. This coupling will also work as a cost-effective method of joining HDPE in above-ground applications where the individual does not want the expense of fusing the pipe together, but wants a pressure coupling that can tolerate the expansion and contraction of the HDPE pipe. We are also working to provide different types of fittings such as T's, 45s, and 90s. The coupling is made out of a durable material that has a 10-year ultraviolet additive, giving the user years' worth of trouble-free durability. We hope with this video you are as excited as we are. The tools needed to install the Andrus coupling are in everyone's toolbox. They are a hacksaw with a blade suitable for cutting aluminum pipe, a round metal file, and two 9/16 wrenches for tightening the clamps with the retainer bar in place. Some people like to lubricate the rubber gasket, but this is not necessary. If you are one of those who would like to lubricate the gasket, we would caution you not to use any petroleum-based product, as it could, in time, damage the gasket. A better choice would be any liquid dishwashing soap, vegetable oil, or water. The Andrus coupling uses the Bauer-style rubber gaskets for aluminum pipe. We chose this type of gasket because of its long and successful history, its pressure rating, and availability. These gaskets come with the coupling, and replacement gaskets are readily available through your normal pipe and hardware supplier. The clamps are an integral part of the Andrus coupling, and they, like the Bauer gasket, were chosen for their proven track record, availability, reusability, and simplicity. Just like the Bauer gasket, replacement clamps are available through your normal aluminum piping supplier or perhaps in your damaged pipe scrap pile. Once the damaged pipe and replacement section are cut to the same length, take the small round file and deburr the inside of the 4 cut ends. Once that is completed, deburr and file a small bevel onto the outside of the 4 ends. The deburring and beveling process will protect the gasket from being damaged. Install the 2 Bauer gaskets that are supplied into the coupling, making sure that the cavity in the gasket is in the interior of the coupling. Reversing this gasket will prohibit the coupling from being properly installed, or it will leak under pressure. Take the provided clamps and slide them onto the 2 ends of the pipe and remove 1 nut and bolt from each clamp on the side closest to the cut end. Now, take the coupling and push it onto the end of the prepared pipe until the pipe bottoms out against the stop on the inside of the coupling. Repeat this step on the other side of the coupling. Taking the clamps, push them up against the coupling. The bracing bar is intended to only fit one way with the bolt holes, so install it from one end of the coupling to the other and anchor with the 2 nuts and bolts that have been previously removed. Tighten all the nuts and bolts to sufficient torque in order to anchor the clamps to the pipe. This completes the assembly and the pipe is ready to be returned to service. The Andrus coupling comes with an important variation for many. Notice the 8 dimple locations on the exterior of the coupling. Some individuals will opt to not use the clamps or bracing bar, but utilize the coupling with set screws. These dimples can be drilled out once the pipe is bottomed out in the coupling. The holes are then drilled through the coupling and aluminum pipe with the supplied drill bit and tap. Once the hole is tapped, install the 8 set screws until the top of the set screw is flush with the exterior of the coupling. All of the set screws, along with the Allen wrench, are provided in the box, but a drill and power source are not included. Not only is this assembly somewhat different than the other Andrus coupling, it is also less expensive. The trade-off is that this methodology takes a little longer, more tools, and more care, as if the tap holes become cross-threaded, the coupling is damaged. Another benefit to this assembly is that one or more set screw locations can be adapted to allow for the tap to be made larger and accommodate a pipe nipple, which allows for water to be used in drip applications or for a riser pipe. We hope you like what you see as a new and novel way of repairing damaged pipe in the field with minimal expense, downtime, and equipment. To be able to use this coupling over and over again for many years to come creates a value never before thought of in the growers community. Simply put, there is another cost-effective weapon to increase the bottom line: the Andrus coupling for aluminum pipe. We hope to hear from you soon, and I, Patrick Wolf, wish you a profitable season.